Hi, I'm Stuart Mader, and this is 21 Days of Wiki Adoption. Today's topic, be firm. Once you get WikiUse started in your group or team, you've got to be firm and make sure people do use it and don't fall back to the old way of doing things. For example, if you've made that switch from emailing your attached Word document meeting agenda to putting your meeting agenda on a wiki page and just emailing around a link to it, you might run into that situation where someone in your group replies back and says, can't you just send me the Word document? I don't have time to learn the wiki. I just want to do it the way I'm used to. Instead of replying back and just giving the person what they want, giving them the Word document, it's better to reply back and explain, or even talk to them in person and explain why it's more valuable to spend a couple of minutes getting used to the wiki and then use it regularly. It's important for the success of the wiki that everyone in your group understand how to get to the wiki, why you're using it, and that they can both get and contribute information on it. And you need everyone there to ensure the wiki's success. If half of the people are on the wiki and half of the people are still using the old, attached documents and email, you're going to have a division of information in your group that's not good. The value of the wiki is in having everyone in your group have access to the same store of information and able to contribute to that information and work collaboratively together. You don't want that to get split. So if somebody is resistive at first, spend a little time with them, help them get used to the wiki and see the value in it. It's going to be both good for them and for your whole team in the long run.